guys, it's Abby with Smartass and Sass, and I'm here to show you what was in the February subscription. So February's theme was all the feels. It was not Valentine's Day or love specific. It celebrated all of the feelings that we have. So let's dig right in. This first item that I'm going to show you was a huge hit. So this is a insulated water bottle, very much like a swig water bottle, and it has this teal speckled design on it, and it says feeling good as hell. We're obsessed with Lizzo here. It has this nice stainless steel top, and obviously you understand the rest, but it's of course spill resistant and insulated, like I said. So next up we have a candle. This candle is from OK Collective, and the scent, or the name of it, is Good Vibes Only, and it smells so good. All right, next up we have a lip glaze. So this is from Lauren's Garden, and the phrase or the name that we gave it was all the feels, but it has, let me see, castor oil, rose flowers, bergamot oil, peppermint oil, and vitamin E, and it makes your lips super shiny and moist, of course, and it comes in this beautiful bottle. So there's that. Next up we have an item from Twisted Wares. We love working with Twisted Wares, and so we did this oven mitt, and it says made with love and some other shit. It has a design printed on the front and the back. It is quilted on the inside and insulated, obviously, to keep your hands from burning. But yeah, I love this. And it has this little loop so you can hang it up too if you want to display it. Okay. Next up we have a journal, and this is from Smartass and Sass. We designed this one, and let me take it out of the bag so you can take a look. So it is pink, and it says, I've got a good heart but this mouth, and it's embossed. So it's a pink. This is a pleather, vegan leather. So inside, you know, it's printed, it's lined, and best of all, or one of my favorite parts anyway, it has a bookmark so you can keep your place. And it has cute little hearts on the bottom of every page. So cute. All right, and then just a couple more things. We have this little decal from DSG Studio. It says Peachy AF. So this is a vinyl decal. You can put it on a water bottle, you can put it on a notebook, you can put it on all kinds of things. So most subscribers got this decal. We had a little issue with production, so some people got either a sticky note or a set of stickers as a swap. But there is that, and we do have some more of these available in the shop now. So if you didn't get a chance to get one of these, you can grab one now. And last up for the box items, we have our collectible pen. So every month we do a collectible item. Right now we are doing pens, and so this one says feeling prickly, and it's green, of course, like a cactus. And so these are Bit Click pens. They're super nice quality, always good to have around. So those are all the items, and then the very last thing I want to show you is the shirt from this month. And I'm obsessed with this design. It says my favorite kind of plans are canceled plans. So it is a heather dark gray. It's the same soft material that we use every time, and then the design is printed in kind of a navy. So yeah, we sold out of the full February boxes, but we do have some of the items available in the shop, and then we do have some of the shirts left. So if you want to grab one of those, you can. I think by the time we're posting this, sign up for March has already passed, but you can sign up for April. And the theme for April is domestic as hell. So we're gonna have some really fun home goods and things like that, and we'll release a list of the products you'll be getting soon. So hit us up if you have any questions, and we'll have links below to all the items that are left. Thanks, bye.